This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the September 2023 release. The full list of features can be found in the September 2023 version 20.23.9 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month we're highlighting the following features. Quickly find enrollment rules with enhanced search using Discover. Quiz timing improvements featuring synchronous quizzes now in the Quizzes tool. And lastly, a summary of all the other features this month. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. This feature improves upon the Discover, Create and Add Rules to Multiple Courses with Enhanced Enrollment Rules feature, released in August 2023, version 20.23.8. To further help users manage enrollment rules at scale, users with the correct permissions can search for existing enrollment rules from the Enrollment Rules page, search within a list of courses applied to a rule from the Create Enrollment Rule page, select all courses to add from the Add Courses dialog, and add or remove existing enrollment rules directly from the course offering information page of a course using the Add Enrollment Rules button. Previously, users could not search for existing enrollment rules from the Enrollment Rules page or search for courses from the Create Enrollment Rule page. Additionally, users could not add or remove existing rules directly from the course offering information page. Navigate to Discover and select More Actions, Enrollment Rules. Enter the rule name you want to search for into the search field and click the magnifying glass icon. Partial search terms are allowed. Click the X button at any time to clear the search field. To add a rule to a course, click Create Enrollment Rule or select an existing rule. Click Add Courses. Click the checkbox to select all courses. Otherwise, enter the search terms into the search field and click the magnifying glass icon. Click Add to add the courses. Once complete, click Save and Close. The Discover feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. To see Add Enrollment Rules on the Course Offering Information page, your role must have the Configure Availability in Discover permission or the Manage Discover permission. This release adds synchronous quizzes to the Quizzes tool, enabling instructors to set up a quiz where the quiz timer starts at the start date and ends when the time limit has lapsed for all learners, rather than when the learner launches the quiz, which is the case for an asynchronous quiz. Because a synchronous quiz starts at the start date and ends when the time limit has lapsed, learner action does not affect the time left. For example, if a learner clicks Start Quiz 15 minutes after the start date on a 1-hour quiz, they only have 45 minutes left to complete it. In a quiz, expand the Availability Dates and Conditions section and set a start date. Leave end date blank. To add the availability dates to the calendar, check Add Availability Dates to Calendar. Expand the Timing and Display section, click Set Time Limit, and set a time limit. Click Timer Settings. Select Synchronous under Quiz Start. Select the desired time limit expiry option, and click OK. Click Save and Close. To ensure learners are aware of upcoming synchronous quizzes, instructors should create instructional or manual solutions. Create an announcement with information about the synchronous quiz. Set up an event and give a link to the quiz to provide more context. Lastly, make a synchronous quiz visible in the calendar. Instructors can select Add Availability Dates to Calendar or set up an event showing the whole time. Learners require the Allows Out-of-Date Quizzes to be viewed in the User Quiz List permission to open the quiz information page of a synchronous quiz. The Quizzes feature implements the following PI items: D1552, D2914, D2135, D4450, D4481, D6373, D6812, D8924, and D9257. Quiz end time enforces quiz attempt submission. D8816, submit quiz attempts in bulk or through API. And D9656, quizzes improvements and updates. Thank you to all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Quizzes feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. Learners can access information about a synchronous quiz before it starts in the quiz information page if they have the Allows Out-of-Date Quizzes to be Viewed in the User Quiz List permission. Finally, let's take a quick look at the other features for this month's release. Brightspace Virtual Assistant features a new fully localized icon. The book management tool is being removed as of this release. The LTI launches permission is no longer required in Data Hub. And lastly, in the Widgets tool, end of life for the Brightspace Community widget. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the September 2023 version 20.23.9 release notes on Brightspace Community. See you next month!